Hi, Mom. Yeah, no, can you pick up Chris after school? Yeah, I'm at the doctor's.
Mrs. Harris?
Describe your symptoms.
Hang on. Stress, headaches, nausea. Yeah, well, I work on Saturdays.
And how long has this been?
Equanimity. Balance your lifestyle.
Well, hi, is this Bob Guinea?
It is. How are you?
I'm fine. I don't think I talked to you since you were on The Bachelor. I might have talked to you once when you were in that little rock band, but how are you?
I'm doing great, thank you. And yourself?
I am having an exceptionally wonderful life, and I get to talk to people like you every day, so you know I got a pretty good job.
Oh, man. Well, I feel the same way getting to talk to you, so I get it.
Well, thank you, Bob Guinea. I want to let my listening audience know you may remember Bob Guinea from The Bachelor, but he's gone on to become a famous TV personality, and I'm so impressed. Bob, what are you up to now?
I do a lot of stuff for the Today Show, and I just did a new pilot for Travel Channel, and have Show House Showdown, and obviously talking about all my favorite gadgets and gizmos, which we're talking about today.
I love gadgets and gizmos. What did you bring us?
Oh, man. Well, you know, they always say you never get a second chance to make that first impression. And that, you know, even from the early days of The Bachelor stuff, that's the truth. You step out of that limo and you make a bad first impression, you're going home. And I think, like it or not, how we dress, what we say, and ultimately the technology that we actually carry around with us says a lot about who we are. The more put together we appear, the more likely we are to leave a great first impression. And I think, you know, it goes from everything from head to toe, but it also goes to your accessories. And the biggest accessory that people have these days, and I know you'll agree with me on this, is their phones. You see people's phones out more now than you ever have. And with smartphones, I think it's sticking out of your pocket, it's in your hand, it's up to your face, or it's, you know, sitting on the table at lunch. And the beauty of this smartphone, it fits the contour of everyone's faces perfectly. It's LG's G Flex 2. This is beautiful. It blends 4 curved angles with cutting-edge technology, has intuitive rear key design, a 5.5-inch curved full HD POLED screen that'll draw you right in, shows beautiful, vibrant pictures and videos. And you know how sometimes when you're trying to take a picture of someone, the phone will delay and people think they're taking a movie or something? That's the beauty of this. The G Flex 2 captures once-in-a-lifetime photos in the blink of an eye. Uses laser autofocus with its 13-megapixel camera. And at CES this year, it was one of the single most awarded devices. Plus, from a design standpoint, it's gorgeous. It makes a huge statement in Volcano Red, which is available on Sprint, or it comes in Platinum Silver, which is available on US Cellular and AT&T. It's an absolutely beautiful phone, and that curved technology just makes it so fantastic.
That'll set you apart, Bob. What else do you have there?
Well, you know, and you know this, I mean, you know, going to work and with everything else in life that you're doing, another key factor is making great first impressions. That's to arrive on time. It's important to be punctual. Now, the smartwatch helps you do that. We're redefining the smartwatch. It's the LG G Watch R. Combines a stylish classic watch design and premium finish with an always-on user experience and long-lasting battery life, which is key. Plus, it seamlessly connects to any smartphone that runs Android 4.3 or later, which makes it completely up to date. And if you're a style-minded person, you can give it 18 different on-screen watch faces, depending on how you're feeling that day. And you can customize your look with interchangeable 22mm watch bands as well. Plus, as if that's not enough, if you're into Google Fit, you can track your fitness with your watch. You can receive and track travel details, including boarding passes and directions, turn-by-turn directions, all right to your wrist. It's available on Google Play Store for just $2.99. Super affordable.
I know what I want for Christmas already. I already know that. I love that.
You and me
I love that. What else do you have?
Well, that's all I got, but I'll tell you what. If you want more information, you can go to LG.com. You can get a chance to look at all the different colors and all the different bands that are available on the watch. And, of course, you can also read up on all the technology that's available with the smartphone as well. These are 2 beautiful products, like you said. Great for the holidays. Mother's Day is coming up, Father's Day. I got a birthday right around the corner if y'all want to send me something. It's easy.
It is. Bob Guiney, you're always a delight, and I love it that you're a techie guy. I'm surprised you're still on the market with all that tech knowledge now.
Yeah, thanks very much. It is kind of, it's a sickness, I'm not going to lie. The second something new comes out, I got to have it. And this is no exception.
Well, this is the Jetson age. What can we say? Bob Guiney, thank you for being my guest again. Please come back.
I will. Thank you so much. It was great speaking with you.